Welcome on my channel again. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial because I got a shooting later on, and I'm going to show you how I do step by step my glam. So today's look is going to be a full glam. I started off with my everyday makeup and I'm just gonna turn it into a nighttime look. So the palette that I'm using is the Morphe. It's the Tease Season. It's the limited edition. Maybe you can still find it. So first of all, I use some brow gel and I brush my brows up. As you can see, I already curled my hair and styled it, and yeah. So for lips, I use the Glamorous lip liner in red to look very glam. I just overline my lips here on top, and here I kind of connect it into my lips so I get a really full pout. Then I use eyeshadow primer and put it on my eyelid. So this look is for a magazine, and I can't wait to show you the pictures on my gram. I also love to use this brow lifting set from Essence. It really gives me that swoop. Okay, so now for foundation I'm using Maybelline in Fire in the shade Golden Beige. And I really love to put this under my nose. I actually never wear foundation ever. I just wear it now for my shooting because I don't like to retouch my photos at all. I only want my skin to look flawless. You know, actually the craziest part is, if you believe it or not, almost most my photos are untouched, and I don't like to use foundation because it makes my skin break out. So if you want a good skin, don't use it. Okay. I can't wait to put this off, guys. I hate foundation so much. For concealer, I mix shade Vanilla from Maybelline Fit Me and NYX together, but I can't find it right now, so I'm just gonna place a little dot on my under eye, like this. That's enough. And I also like to clean out my lip area on the side. And carve out my brows to really get that swoop. I don't like to use much. This is just special because I don't get to retouch my photos. Oh. So, next thing is I'm gonna set my under eye area with the Revolution powder from Banana Revolution. I love it so much. It's the dupe version. I cleaned my makeup brushes, but they're still wet, so I'm not gonna use them. And I'm just gonna dab my beauty blender and dab, which is fine as well. God. And I just stack it on, and I put it on my eyelid as well. And I kind of set my face as well. Next step. I use a clean brush, make sure it's clean so you don't get any other product in it. And I use the shade Caramel from Benefit. This one, the Hula Bronzer, and I shade it in. So for eyes, I also take the same shade and I put it out well and kind of make a ring on the outer part of my eye area. A little blush, really spill it. And I use a lot of blush, a lot. Okay. I hope this is recording. Okay, and now I just kind of use the excess powder and set everything in place. I'm gonna use some sparkly color. The name is What's Inside. And I'm gonna use it on my inner corner of the lid. Some mascara on the outer part. And that's it. I'm camera ready now. Thank you guys for watching.